When danger comes, it doesn't come alone, it comes in a group. Donkey, hey brothers, these days I feel like danger has memorized the address of my house. That night, I was sleeping, and suddenly I heard the chirping of crickets. I thought it was normal. But suddenly, I saw a cat break through the roof of my house and fall on me. I jumped up with a yawn. Even though the cat ran away, a bamboo pole fell on my head. I thought that was the end of it, but no, in the morning, I saw that the goat had eaten all the young gourd plants in my garden. I went to the goat's owner. He turned around and told me that I had bitten his goat. In the meantime, my stomach started to rumble. I ran to the thicket of the forest. When I went there, I saw, oh, Father, a group of bees have gathered. I sat down, and immediately they started stinging. Brother, then I understood, danger doesn't come alone. The bee army is coming. I feel like my destiny is to be a loudspeaker calling out danger. Fox, ha ha ha, donkey brother, listening to your suffering makes me want to laugh and cry. But you know, danger doesn't come alone. Let me tell you a story. One day, I went to the village and went into the kitchen. I thought I would eat a chicken bone. As soon as I pulled it off, the whole rice fell on me. Oh, I got burned in the heat. I thought, let's go, no one noticed. As soon as I came out, I saw dogs surrounding me. I was running away, the dogs were chasing me. At that moment, I suddenly fell into a hole by the pond. The dogs jumped after me, then the villagers shouted and brought sticks. I was completely stuck. In the end, I ran back to the forest to save my life. Let me tell you, an attempt to steal a chicken bone, along with the burnt rice as a bonus, a dog bite and a human stick, all together. Don't tell me, danger is like children going to a fair. They love to get together with everyone. Tiger. A worse disaster than what you two said happened to me. One night I went out hunting. I saw a fat deer eating grass. I slowly went and jumped, but the deer swerved to the left, and I fell into a thorn bush. Oh, Father, the thorn entered my body like a tailor's needle. As soon as I could barely get out, a beehive above my head broke. Thousands of bees jumped on my head. I jumped into the river. A crocodile came and grabbed my tail. I was screaming, running. The crocodile wouldn't let go. Somehow I survived, brothers, while trying to catch a deer. I was completely covered in thorns, bees, and crocodile bites. That's when I realized, the danger is like a train carriage. If one enters, the rest also enter. Elephant, ha ha ha, hearing what you three said, it seems I was not less troubled than you. That afternoon I thought, I will wash myself a little in the heat. I went to the river bank, and saw that the water was completely clear. As soon as I got down, I saw a small frog suddenly jump on my trunk. I was dancing with fear, water splashing everywhere. There was a crocodile hiding there, and it tried to bite my leg. I jumped and fell into the mud. As soon as I got out of the mud, I saw people coming all around me and playing drums. They thought there was an earthquake. I was screaming, and people were running and scaring me even more. Finally, I somehow returned to the forest. Then I realized I was taking a bath, and the frog, crocodile, and man all surrounded me. This is proof danger does not come alone, it comes with the whole circus group. So from today on, we have learned when danger comes, we have to face it together without getting scared. If a bee comes, the fox will chase it away with its intelligence. If a crocodile comes, the tiger will show its teeth and scare it. And I will be the strength of all. If the four of you stand together, no danger can defeat you. Everyone laughed together. Haha, let there be danger in groups, we are here to face it together.